It's cold, it's fizzy, it's refreshing, and for millions of people, it's a daily habit. But what is that one can of Coca-Cola doing to your body every single day? Over the next few minutes, we're going inside the human body, organ by organ, to show you exactly what happens when you drink Coca-Cola for 30 days straight. What you're about to see might change everything. One can of Coca-Cola contains 39 grams of sugar. That's 10 teaspoons in a single drink. Within 20 minutes of your first sip, your blood sugar begins to spike rapidly. Now multiply that by 30 days. That's over 1,200 grams of added sugar and more than 4,000 empty calories flooding your system in a single month. Your body was never designed to handle this, and it will start telling you that very quickly. Your pancreas is responsible for one critical job, releasing insulin to manage your blood sugar levels. The moment Coca-Cola hits your bloodstream, your pancreas is thrown into emergency mode, flooding your body with insulin to bring those levels back down. Day 1, it manages. Day 10, it's working harder than it should. Day 20, it's beginning to strain. Every daily can of Coke forces your pancreas to sprint when it was built for a marathon, and over time, it starts to lose the race. Your tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, but Coca-Cola has a pH of around 2.5, barely above battery acid. Every sip bathes your teeth in acid. The sugar feeds bacteria in your mouth, which produce even more acid. Together, they begin dissolving your enamel from day 1. By the end of 30 days, early erosion is already underway. And here's what makes it devastating. Enamel never grows back. Once it's gone forever. Your liver cannot tell the difference between alcohol and the fructose in your Coca-Cola. When excess fructose arrives, the liver converts it directly into fat, a process called de novo lipogenesis. Tiny fat droplets begin forming inside the liver tissue almost immediately. By day 10 of daily consumption, those droplets are multiplying, building toward what doctors call non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition now affecting over 1 billion people worldwide. Most of them had no idea it was happening. That bloated, pressurized feeling after a fizzy drink? Imagine that every single day. The carbonation in Coca-Cola releases carbon dioxide gas inside your stomach, causing it to stretch and distend, leading to bloating, gas, and cramping. The high sugar content also disrupts your gut microbiome, the bacteria responsible for digestion, immunity, and even your mood. 30 days of daily Coke shifts that balance in the wrong direction, and restoring it takes far longer than a month. For about 20 minutes after drinking a Coke, you feel great. Your brain lights up with dopamine, your energy spikes, your focus sharpens. Then it crashes. Blood sugar drops, insulin overshoots, and within the hour, you're left with fatigue, brain fog, and irritability. And what does your brain crave to feel better? More sugar. This is the cycle. After 30 days of daily consumption, your brain has been quietly rewired to depend on it. Liquid calories are uniquely dangerous. Your brain doesn't register them the same way it registers food. You drink a can of Coke and you never feel full, but those calories are very real. Your body stores the excess, first as fat under the skin, and more dangerously as visceral fat wrapped around your internal organs. Visceral fat releases inflammatory chemicals directly into your bloodstream. By day 20, it's already building around your liver, your stomach, and your heart. Your kidneys filter 50 gallons of blood every single day. Coca-Cola makes that job significantly harder. The phosphoric acid and high sugar content increases calcium oxalate in your urine, the primary building block of kidney stones. And despite being a liquid, Coke actually dehydrates you. The caffeine it contains causes your kidneys to flush out more water than the drink provides. 30 days of daily consumption means 30 days of chemical stress on organs working hard enough as it is. Daily Coca-Cola consumption attacks your heart on multiple fronts simultaneously. Excess sugar triggers chronic inflammation throughout the body, and inflamed artery walls are the first step toward plaque buildup. High sugar also raises triglyceride levels in the blood, narrowing the vessels your blood flows through. Your heart works harder, your blood pressure climbs. Research consistently links daily sugary drink consumption to significantly higher rates of hypertension and coronary artery disease. 30 days won't cause a heart attack, but 30 days is enough to begin the process. 30 days, your brain rewired by sugar dependency, your teeth eroding from acid damage that cannot be undone, your liver quietly accumulates fat, your gut microbiome disrupted, your pancreas overtaxed, your kidneys under chemical strain, your heart working harder against narrowing vessels, your body carrying visceral fat it didn't have a month ago. All from 1 can a day. But here is what matters most. None of this is irreversible yet. The human body is remarkable. Cutting out daily soda has been shown to reduce liver fat within weeks, improve insulin sensitivity within days, and lower blood pressure within a month. The question was never whether Coca-Cola tastes good. Of course it does. The question is, what is it costing you? Now you know.